The next AI investment boom is coming, and most people are still not fully prepared for it. While many investors believe they've already missed the opportunity, the reality is very different. What we've seen so far is just the first phase of artificial intelligence, the real explosion, the phase where companies scale, profits surge, and new market leaders emerge, is only beginning. And in 2026, this shift could create some of the biggest wealth-building opportunities of the decade. Right now, artificial intelligence is no longer just a trend, it's becoming the backbone of the global economy. Companies across every industry are integrating AI to cut costs, boost productivity, and gain a competitive edge. From healthcare and finance to retail and logistics, AI is transforming how businesses operate. This rapid adoption is driving massive demand for computing power, data infrastructure, and advanced software. And wherever there is demand at this scale, there is opportunity for investors who position themselves early. At the center of this revolution is NVIDIA, a company that has become synonymous with AI hardware. Its powerful GPUs are the engines behind machine learning models, data centers, and AI applications worldwide. Every time an AI model is trained or deployed, there's a strong chance NVIDIA's technology is involved. This makes the company one of the most critical players in the entire AI ecosystem. As demand for AI computing continues to rise, NVIDIA's growth potential remains enormous. Another major force shaping the AI landscape is Microsoft. With its aggressive investment in AI and its partnership with OpenAI, Microsoft has positioned itself as a leader in enterprise AI solutions. Its cloud platform, Azure, is becoming a go-to choice for businesses building AI-powered applications. At the same time, Microsoft is integrating AI into everyday tools like Word, Excel, and Teams, making AI accessible to millions of users. This combination of infrastructure and real-world application gives Microsoft a powerful advantage moving into 2026. Alphabet is also playing a crucial role in the next wave of AI innovation. As the parent company of Google, Alphabet has access to one of the largest data ecosystems in the world. This data fuels its AI models, search algorithms, and advertising systems. Beyond that, Alphabet is pushing boundaries with projects like autonomous driving and advanced AI research. Then there's Amazon, a company many people still associate primarily with online shopping. But behind the scenes, Amazon Web Services, or OWS, is one of the most important pillars of the AI economy. Businesses around the world rely on OWS to store data, run applications, and build AI solutions. As more companies move toward cloud-based AI systems, Amazon is positioned to benefit in a big way. In the end, the next AI investment boom isn't just about technology, it's about transformation. So the real question is, are you watching this AI revolution from the sidelines, or are you positioning yourself to be part of it? Because in the world of investing, the biggest gains often go to those who see the future early and act before everyone else catches on.